Gravel and sand are two of the most widely used construction materials in the world. They are essential components in the production of concrete, asphalt, and various other construction materials. However, the proliferation of gravel and sand has become a growing concern in recent years due to the environmental impact of their extraction and transportation. In this article, we will explore the reasons behind the proliferation of gravel and sand, its impact on the environment, and what can be done to mitigate it. The proliferation of gravel and sand is driven by the growing demand for construction materials. As populations grow and urbanization increases, so does the demand for new homes, buildings, and infrastructure. Gravel and sand are essential components in the production of concrete, which is the most widely used construction material in the world. They are also used in the production of asphalt, which is used to pave roads. The extraction and transportation of gravel and sand have a significant impact on the environment. The extraction of these materials often involves the removal of topsoil, vegetation, and other natural features. This can lead to soil erosion, loss of habitat, and changes to the landscape. Extraction can also lead to the depletion of groundwater resources, which can have a significant impact on local ecosystems. The transportation of gravel and sand can also have a significant impact on the environment. Large trucks are often used to transport these materials from the extraction site to the construction site. This can lead to increased air pollution, noise pollution, and traffic congestion. The transportation of materials can also lead to accidents on the road, which can have serious consequences for both human safety and the environment. The environmental impact of gravel and sand proliferation is not limited to the extraction and transportation process. The production of concrete and asphalt also has a significant environmental footprint. The production process involves the use of large amounts of energy and water, which can lead to greenhouse gas emissions and water pollution. Fortunately, there are measures that can be taken to mitigate the impact of gravel and sand proliferation. One approach is to reduce the demand for these materials by promoting the use of alternative construction materials. For example, there are now eco-friendly concrete alternatives that use recycled materials such as fly ash or slag, which can reduce the need for gravel and sand. Another approach is to promote sustainable extraction and transportation practices. This can involve the use of more efficient extraction techniques that minimize the impact on the environment. It can also involve the use of alternative transportation methods such as rail or water transport, which can reduce the environmental impact of transportation. In conclusion, the proliferation of gravel and sand is a growing concern due to its impact on the environment. While these materials are essential for construction, it is important to take steps to mitigate their impact. This can involve promoting the use of alternative materials, as well as promoting sustainable extraction and transportation practices. By working together, we can ensure that construction materials are produced and used in a way that is sustainable and environmentally responsible.